So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 49,582. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. You've got other menus available to you as well, all of which are accessed with the buttons over here. We have stereo controls, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, this button here, if you give that a push, the car is able to maintain its own distance automatically between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down based on the car in front's speed. Over into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the radio menu there. You can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's a number of ways you can do that as well. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired up your phone, you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. Hit the phone button to pair your phone up. Beneath that, we have our air conditioning. You can determine the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. You can open up this section. There's some storage inside there. We can turn the parking sensors on and off. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. And you can change the driving mode of the car from eco to normal, sport or individual. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.